We got a top 10.
Makers, our noise makers.
We've got a top 10.
What? That's my boy.
High five it.
Alright, got a top 10? Who's
Yeah.
got it?
Oh my God, stop my thing. It's the two of us. You ready?
Okay, hold on a second.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the reason?
Go.
All right, Lindsay and Eric's top 10 reasons why we run for Dana-Farber.
Number 10. So I don't have to explain to my friends why I don't feel like going out on a Friday night.
9, because I'm very comfortable with my bodily functions in front of friends and the lactic acid hobble after the marathon.
8, so I can get down at Shifter's party.
7, so I can eat pancakes twice the size of my head.
And in my case, gluten-free deliciousness. 6, because everyone knows my name for 26.2 miles.
5, so I can run with you for 4 hours.
And this year, Eric, it's going to be 3 hours and 59 minutes. What are we on, 4?
Yeah.
4, because I don't want to have to run anymore, because we're going to get to that ultimate finish line, World Without Cancer.
3, for all the Dana-Farber patient partners and their runners.
I love my Brandon. 2, in memory of my Auntie Nancy.
And 1, in memory of my dad, Harvey K.
Woo! This is my running buddy!
Nice and warm.
Sweet.